Hi everyone, it's Donna from Spaceman Paper Crafts, and I am back with another design team project for Gareth at createathomewithg.com. The link for Gareth's store I will leave in the description bar below. As we go through, I'll tell you what things are available from Gareth's store. I'm going to be making a Father's Day card today because it's Father's Day coming up, and I have quite a few cards to make. So this one is like a three-stepper card. It's hard to describe, but I've seen it on Pinterest, and I have adjusted the measurements to what I require. So you're going to need a piece of cardstock to start with that is 11 inches by 6 inches, and you're only going to score it on the long side. So you're going to score firstly at 1 1/4, then you're going to score at 2 1/2, 4 1/4, 6 and 8 1/2. And that's all the scoring you need. So you can put your scoreboard out of the way. And I'm just going to get my bone folder. These bone folders are available from Gareth's store. And I'm sorry, I've got an awful glare on my mat from my light. Oh, I can't do anything about that. Sorry guys. It's because I'm using my glass mat. I should have taken it down. So yeah, so you've got those 5 score lines there. So from the bottom, and this gives you the shortest area. This is the larger area. So the shortest area, first fold, you fold towards you, okay, and you score that down, and then you just concertina through. So your next one is going to be a valley fold. So you fold that, and then the next one is going to be mountain. So again, that's towards you. And just burnish these as you go. So the next one is a valley, so fold that down and burnish, and then the last one is a mountain, so that's towards you, okay. So this in essence is the base of our card, and that's how it stands up. It sort of stands up in that sort of a way. Okay, so we're going to do some decoration. Now I'm using this paper pad, which is available from Gareth's store. It's a Do Crafts Paper Mania pack, and I thought the papers in here are great for Father's Day. It's very rustic, very has lots of wood print, and it's an A5 pack, and you get 24 sheets in a pack, 6 designs, and it's 160 GSM, so it's really quite good quality paper. So I don't think there are many left in the store at the moment. I think there's only 2, so you need to be quick if you want this pack. Okay, so there's that. I'm also going to be using from Gareth's store the stitched oval dies, and I'm going to be using the 4 larger ones. So you can use any dies really. Gareth also has the square and these decorative ovals in his store as well. The square ones might be nice because you could do those either landscape or portrait, so you'll see what I mean in a second. So yeah, so I'm going to be using these stitched ovals. Now I've done quite a lot of prep already, just to not keep the video so long. So I've got my panels to stick on. So the smallest panel is going to be stuck at the front, and this panel, the matte piece measures 1 by 5 3/4, and the paper piece on top measures 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/2. So the second one, the matte piece, measures 1 1/4 by 5 3/4, and the paper piece in the middle measures 1 by 5 1/2. Oh, I've got ink all over my fingers, look. And the final piece, the back piece, the outer part, the outer mat measures 2 1/4 by 5 3/4, and the paper measures 2 by 5 1/2. So all you're going to do then is stick those on to the relevant areas. So I'm just going to be using some art glitter glue to stick mine down. I love this paper pack. brilliant for masculine cards. And then we'll take the next largest piece and we'll stick that down. And then the smaller piece, and we'll do that one. Okay, so after you fold it all back up again, it will stand really nicely like that, giving you different layers. If I can hold it up so you'll be able to see. So it will stand up like that and giving you the layers. So what I wanted to do is I've stamped some images. Now these images that I've stamped onto these stitched ovals are from a Stampin' Up set that I got a while ago. It's from this one. It's called Guy Greetings. I think it's still available. If anybody in the UK is looking for a Stampin' Up demonstrator, my lovely friend Sarah, who is the Cranky Crafter here on YouTube, she is a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so pop over and see her and she will sort you out. So yeah, so I've cut mats for them. So this is the largest one, and then this is the next size down. So I want them sort of matted, and then I'm going to stick them onto my card. So let's get them matted. So I've just stamped using VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And I love VersaFine, it's really like crisp ink. And these images are really great for masculine cards, especially Father's Day. And let's line that up. So I wanted to get these stamped because Versamark does take quite a while to dry. And I didn't want to be smudging my stamped images. And the Happy Father's Day sentiment was all one piece, but then I cut it down to fit. So don't be afraid to cut down your stamps. You can always piece them back together on your block and it'll be exactly the same. So, you know, don't be afraid to do that. I was at first, but it's absolutely fine. Okay, so I'm going to take our pieces and I'm going to glue just at the bottom, and we're just going to line this up in the middle and stick this down. And then again for the next one. I mean, you don't have to have these one in front of the other, you could stagger them around your card, you can add more. I've done it again, look. Right, just wipe some of the glue off there. I'll keep my mistakes in so you can see what not to do. I already did it with this one. So I'm just going to add that one. And then I'm going to add the little sentiment piece. Just put glue at the bottom, Donna. There we go. And stick that there. So when it folds up, it folds like that, and it looks really cute, and then it stands up like so, and you'll be able to see better in photos anyway. I'll put photos up at the end so you can see. So there's our very quick, very easy, very simple but effective Father's Day card using supplies from Create at Home with G. So we used the bone folder, the stitched ovals and the paper pad. Now remember, there aren't many paper pads of this design left in the store, so do be quick if you want to order them. So thank you so much guys for watching. All the links that you'll need for Gareth's store will be in the description bar below, along with my email address should you need it for any reason. And if you feel like sharing any projects with us, please do so. I'll leave the link to my Facebook group in the description bar as well. It's a lovely group. It's people just share whatever they're making, doesn't matter what sort of craft it is. And it's nice, you know, getting tips and tricks from other people that you may not have thought of yourself. I've learned a fair bit. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. Take care. Bye for now.